Alright, hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine. You can see here a bamboo slices canvas in front of you. It's a DIY handmade bamboo craft. So I'm using this canvas for do my paintings. So you can see here I'm going to draw a border line along this the horizontal frame. Okay, so this is going to be the water body, and in this place I'm going to draw a mountain. You can see I'm just putting the outlines for the mountains little bit bigger. Okay, so putting shade on one side, then make the ups and downs for several mountains, so it's like few mountains in the same place. Okay, let's add some water and show the visual effect of the mountain line. So one side is going to be the shade and another side it has to be the light. That's the idea of the shades and shadow. Okay, putting some green format here for the greeneries at the bottom of the mountains. You can see some ups and downs. Here, all right, all these ups and downs just define some other trees which is not that much taller, but it has a visual effect. If you see all these greeneries in the horizon, you can see it like a line, like a green line with little bit ups and downs here. Okay, few shades maybe you can see over the water. All these places, let's do some little details on the left side of all the mountains. Okay, so this is the basic drawing is done. Now we're going to put the mountain trees here. So this is the first tree, which is very taller pine tree, just pointy on the top, and it becomes wider at the bottom. Just draw like a special the longer tree sticks, and start putting the colors, and just becomes wider at the bottom. Okay, so two trees here I have just drawn. Another two tree maybe I'm going to draw here. Okay, so you can see all these trees on top of the regular green lines. Okay, and another tree here, it's also a little bit bigger. So all these details just looks very beautiful, and it just glorify the landscapes, just like looks very nice and simple. Okay, all right, so for the shades and shadow on the water, you just going to put little bit reflections on the water. Just see the reflections of that color painting. Okay, and we can just add little bit water at this corner. Okay, and just it's fade away as it progresses to the center of the canvas. Mm-hmm. Alright, so the drawing is almost finished, and little bit blue on the top. Okay, we can add some water and show the sky blue color, which is little bit the soft in nature, not that much deep dark shade, but it's a very light strokes of the blue all over the canvas. Okay, and we're just going to add little bit water for the green mountains here, just fill up the void. And the drawing is complete. This is it. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. You can do practice. The more you practice, the better the drawing to be. Okay, so all these natural landscapes, this is going to be a mountainous terrain and mountainous tree. Okay, all right. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.